Hello? Yes, you, Mr. Beginner. Yes, you read the caption right. It says 90% of the new traders in the first 90 days will lose 90% of their funds. This is nothing but your 90-90-90 rule, right? I'm sure you must have seen some similar caption in other channels where people say 99% of traders will lose money, some say 80%, some say 70. But 80, 90, 70 जो भी है, the matter of fact is that traders, especially the new ones, will lose fund in stock market. Now some of you may not agree. हो सकता है कि आप बोलो कि यार पॉसिबल नहीं है, 90% पॉसिबल नहीं है. Some of you may say maybe 50-50, but some of you who are really experienced like us, right, I'm sure you'll agree to us. ये होने वाला है, इधर हुआ होगा या आगे जाके होगा. And trust us when you say this because we have seen enough in our 10 years of trading experience in stock market. These numbers more or less is true. But the important question for you guys, and especially if you are a newcomer, should you be worrying? And the answer is maybe not. Now I know some of you must be confused because एक तरफ में बोल रहे हो कि 90-90-90 सही है, at the same time telling not to worry also. How and why? Let's find out, right? Thank you so much and a big warm welcome from Prism Stocks in Academia. Guys, my name is Prashant and today we were discussing about the 90-90-90 issue, right? 90% of traders will lose 90% of funds in the first 90 days. But like I told you earlier, you guys did not worry. Why? Simple. Two reasons. First, understand guys, this crap 90-90-90 or some people call it 80-20 happens everywhere. For instance, 90% of people who start gym to develop muscles will stop going to gym from first month. 80 to 90% people who start dieting, to lose weight will quit dieting from second month. I mean, the list can go on, right? So, you don't need to panic. Basically, wanting to be better but sitting down to be average is a default tendency of human beings. ये इंसानी फितरत है, right? हर जगह होता है, इधर भी होता है. So guys, if you are new in trading or you've been trading for quite some time, don't panic, don't be scandalized, right? ये यार क्या हो रहा है स्टॉक मार्केट में, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये हर जगह होता है तो यहाँ पे भी होता है, राइट? सो चिल. सेकेंड रीजन टू नॉट पैनिक इज you guys are watching this video. Right? So guys, we've been trading in stock market from last 10 years and today I'm going to tell you all the major mistakes that usually traders do so that you don't do it, right? Basically become the beneficiary of them and us because even we have done those mistakes, right? But guys, before we go there, right, let us understand the prima basis of 90-90-90. So not long ago, I had stumbled upon this great website TradesIT and they had showcased the timeline of a trader, right? So all traders start with the dream to get rich quick. Come on guys, let's not disagree to this, right? Everybody wants to earn money. But 40% traders only trade for 1 month. Yes. So if you've been trading for more than a month, congratulations, you are in top 60. 80% out of the 60 will quit in the first 2 years. Yes, that's a fact. So if you have been trading for more than 2 years, then congratulations, you have made it to top 12. Unfortunately, out of this 12, only 10% remain after 5 years. Guys, if you have been trading from more than 5 years, right, pat yourselves because you come in the top 10% who trade, and these are the people who are consistently making profits and awesome profits. So guys, like I told you, I'm going to tell you all the major mistakes that traders usually do, right? So that you don't do it, right? And I hope and I pray that you trade for more than 5 years, correct? So let me introduce you to Mr. Beginner Trader, right? And he's going to do all the mistakes that typically all traders do and we learn from him. So guys, are you ready? Mr. Trader, are you ready? Perfect. So guys, let's start. So like I told you right earlier, let's say tomorrow you saw somebody with great physique, right? And you want to replicate that. आपको भी ऐसा दिखना है, आपको ऐसा बनना है. So you start gym, you start dieting. But no sooner you start gymming and you start dieting, you're going to realize that it's not going to be easy. जिम जाने के लिए रोज सुबह उठना पड़ेगा, जिम जाना पड़ेगा, डंबल उठाने पड़ेंगे। डाइटिंग कर रहे हो तो समोसा और पूरी को बाय बाय बोलना पड़ेगा, सलाद खाने पड़ेंगे, भूखा रहना पड़ेगा। अरे यार, ये तो एफर्ट्स डालने वाली बात हो गई, राइट? You thought that achieving that physique is going to be very easy, but we all know to gain muscles or to lose body fat, it takes time, it takes efforts. और जहाँ एफर्ट डालने की बात होती है, हम इंसान पीछे हट जाते हैं। Likewise, you see somebody making daily profits in stock market, you also want to achieve those profits every day, and you start trading, you enter into the stock market. But very soon you're going to realize that trading is not that easy. यहाँ पे भी एफर्ट डालने पड़ेंगे, सीखना पड़ेगा। टेक्निकल एनालिसिस है, फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस है, चार्ट रीडिंग्स है, चार्ट एनालिसिस है, नुकसान भी होगा। एंड इफ यू हैव स्टार्टेड ट्रेडिंग रिसेंटली एंड इन द फर्स्ट 4-5 ट्रेड्स इफ यू हैव मेड अ लॉस, तो दिमाग बोलेगा भैया ये अपनी बस की बात है नहीं। रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू 40% traders will stop trading in 1 month. This is the classic example why it happens, because people think it is too easy. People don't want to put effort. People don't want to understand, learn, analyze. Let me give you a perfect example of this. So we have a public and private Telegram channel, right, where daily we give profitable trade call for analysis. You know, for example, focus on this stocks, focus on this levels. So people in private group are those people who have enrolled in courses with us. So here we make them study, we make them analyze, we make them put those efforts, right? But I do get some pings from public channels sometimes asking me, sir profit बना लिया लेकिन रुकू कि निकल जाऊं? And I do give them my answer, but with that I also advise them that why don't you learn so and so part of technical analysis by which you'll be able to answer this question yourself next time. You don't need to depend on me or anybody else for that. लेकिन मुझे पता है the same people will again ping me 2-3 days later asking me the same question, right? Some people just don't want to take efforts. They think it is too easy to make money in stock market. So if you are one of them, let me break it to you, it is not. You need to put time, you need to put efforts, you need to learn, you need to analyze, and most importantly, you need to be consistent. The next is marketing gig mix. Now to explain you this point, let me take you to your school days. याद है स्कूल डेज में हम पूरी पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे, हम सिर्फ वही क्वेश्चन की पढ़ाई करेंगे जो हमें लगता है इंपॉर्टेंट है और क्वेश्चन में आएंगे. Some traders apply the same principle over here. There are so many blogs, there are so many portals, there are so many YouTube videos with fancy taglines. 3 simple steps to get the best stocks. The only indicator you'll ever require. 3 ways to make profit. My secret strategy. 0 rupees to 1000 rupees every day. Only do this, only do that, and whatnot. So here also we will not study everything that is required to be studied, but only implement this because these taglines make them feel that only this is required. See, ये कर लो, life jingle lala. Guys, let me tell you, half of them don't work. I'm going to be honest. Half of them definitely do work. But all those people who have come up with the strategies, with indicators, and the 3 ways of making profit and all those stuff, they have spent years of efforts in practicing them, in perfecting them. You just by copying it should not expect the same profit for yourselves. They say, right? Don't compare somebody's 4 years success with your 4 days of efforts. Good you found them, अच्छी बात है. Now practice them consistently, implement them. नुकसान भी होगा, it's okay. But one day you will perfect them and you will also start seeing the same kind of result what those people have done. But why would someone only study some and not everything? इसका आंसर हमें यहाँ मिलेगा. Because for them, stock market is gambling. कुछ लोगों के सपनों में भगवान जी आते हैं. कल सपने में भगवान जी ने XYZ स्टॉक को तथास्तु बुलाए और सडनली यू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग गट फीलिंग दैट सम स्टॉक ABC इज गोइंग टू गो अप टुडे एंड यू टेक ट्रेड्स आइदर इन XYZ स्टॉक बिकॉज भगवान जी ने बोला है या ABC स्टॉक बिकॉज आपका गट फीलिंग बोल रहा है. बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड गाइस, योर गट फीलिंग हैज नथिंग टू डू विद द प्राइस एक्शन ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट. Guys, stop treating your trades as gambling. Wake up, you're not in Las Vegas. That gut वाली feeling, you know, that hope कि ऊपर गया तो मिल गया तो पैसे बन गए तो. Let me tell you a fact, guys, that in Taiwan in 2009 one major lottery was released, and that day or that week there was a massive reduction of trading by 25%. People were attracted towards that lottery, that gamble, than taking trades. Basically, there is no strategy, there is no game plan, there are no targets, there are no stock filtration, random stocks chosen and random entry. और उनका लॉजिक बहुत सिंपल है भाई, प्राइस ऊपर नीचे जाते रहता है, राइट? व्हाट इफ आई एंटर at the exact moment when price is going to go up. Life में और क्या चाहिए? यही तो चाहिए. But what you get is instant punishment. Basically again it's gambling, right? So if you go and tell them कि भाई stop gambling and start trading with strategy, they'll argue with you. Oh hello, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I had a good strategy. अच्छा बताओ strategy क्या था? That's what you get. No strategy, no game plan is pure gambling. That's it. But they will also argue with you and give you examples of past trades जो काम किए. यार I made money. हाँ एक बार नहीं 2 बार पैसे बनाए होंगे. But guys, for that 1 or 2 times that you have made money, there were 10 different trades which you made loss. Summation करते हो वो 2 time profit का versus 10 time loss का you will be negative only. Break even छोड़ दो. Next is trading on tips rather than analysis. Now guys, this is a very subtle but a very deadly form of gambling. Now when I'm using the word deadly, guys, I am not exaggerating. मैं बिल्कुल बड़ा जगह बात नहीं कर रहा because मुझे पता है कि इसके results, इसके consequences कितने बुरे सकते हैं करके. And who better than me can tell you this because my own journey in stock market started with tips, right? I have shared this multiple times in live webinars, also in classrooms. See guys, getting a right tip at the right time is a blessing. It can do a lot of wonders. But the problem is that how do you authenticate a tip? ये tip सही है गलत है? See, the problem is that most of the tips are manipulated. They are created and shared in a planned manner. And the goal is to generate profit, but not for you, but for them. Now, who does this? How do you do it? Why do you do it? It's a different ballgame. It's a different story, right? People make fortune out of these tips. Maybe I'll make a separate video in coming days if you want on that. So, like I told you, most of the tips are manipulated. They are falsely created to make money, not to you, but for them. Second, many times the tips that you get has arrived to you via. And like the Chinese whisper game, while it is coming to you via, the numbers in the tips change. तो हो सकता है कि आपको जो टिप मिले और जिसने टिप बनाया उसमें जमीन आसमान में फर्क हो. People just get high कि यार टिप मिला है and some good percentage of return is promised. You literally visualize your money growing and you get so excited that you don't do any analysis. कौन सी कंपनी है, कौन सेक्टर को बिलोंग करती है, is the company fundamentally strong or not, is there a right positive movement in the stock or not. You get excited, you have already imagined your money growing, you take a trade and the result in most cases, money gone. The third problem is that people are actually addicted to tips. If you go and cross check, you will see that most of the time you have made consistently losses in tips. Even if the loss is small, it's a loss, guys. You're losing capital, but you still desperately wait for a tip. लॉजिक क्या है, तो माइंडसेट क्या है यहाँ पे. हाँ मुझे पता है मैं लॉस बना रहा हूँ करके, बट यार एक टिप से मिल गई ना मेरे सारे लॉसेस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. वो बोलता है ना कि 100 सोनार की एक लोहार की, राइट. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज वो लोहार की आती नहीं है और यहाँ हम सोनार की मारे जा रहे हैं. 100, 150, 200 सोनार हो गए, लोहार की टिप आई नहीं है. बट होप कि यार एक तो लोहार की टिप आएगी. नाउ सम ऑफ यू पीपल हु वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, राइट, मस्ट बी थिंकिंग चलो अच्छा है हमारा सोर्स इज गुड. And if you just thought that, then I rest my case. Because the whole point is that why do you even require a different source? Someone else as a source. Study, understand, put efforts and become your own source. Because if you become your own source, then you as a source will never give yourself a wrong tip. Never. Think about what I just said. 30 seconds rewind करना और मुझे एक बार वापस सुनना. Well, you can thank me in comments if you want. Next. Taking 2 big positions. Now ये अलग level पे. See guys, it's good to be optimistic. It's good to want more money, but being greedy is equally bad, right? I've seen so many people, right, especially young traders, taking bigger positions than their appetite. 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, right? And the idea is that more positions, more returns. Now this technically sounds right, but there's a big risk. Whenever you take a trade, the trade will not only have a positive outcome, it can also have a negative income. So if you trade with more positions and you win, of course, returns will be huge. But for whatever reason, if the price decides to go the other way around, you will have equally big loss. And trust me guys, I have seen people getting flushed out of the stock market. Talking about big positions, one problem is that some traders apply the thin start, fat end principle, whereas you should use fat start, thin end. So when you start a trade, always trade heavy, and as you are moving towards a target, thin out, start profit booking. Now if you start thin and you start adding more positions, you become fat as you go towards a target. But for whatever reasons, if there's a reversal because you're heavy, because you've got more position at that time and the trade takes a reversal, even a small down rally is enough to cause you enough damage. और गलती से अगर आपने आपका स्टॉप लॉस नहीं लगाया है या आपका ध्यान नहीं है एंड द प्राइस कम्स डाउन टू द बाइंग प्राइस, फिर तो अगले 2-3 महीने छुट्टी ना भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Now let us see how things get further escalated. Now because you took too many positions, because you were heavy जब downtrend चालू हो गया, you see a lot of money in negative. When you look at your P&L, when you look at your MTM, you see a huge amount of money in negative. And suddenly, because there's a lot of money on stake, you get emotionally attached to it. That's the next problem. You keep on praying, प्लीज 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 यहाँ से बाउंस बैक कर जा, यहाँ से बाउंस बैक कर जा, एंड द ट्रेड डजंट बाउंस बैक. इट जस्ट गोज further and further down. Somewhere emotionally you're not ready to accept this much of negative amount. But instead of coming out and saving the rest of the capital, you get emotionally attached and you hold on. The result is more and more negative. So guys, number one, put stop loss. Always. If not stop loss, mentally have a threshold कि इससे negative मुझे नहीं देखना है. And when you see touching that number, please square off. या अल्टीमेटली आप स्क्वायर ऑफ होने वाले हो. और अगर आप ऑप्शंस कर रहे हो एंड इफ इट इज नेकेड ऑप्शंस, गॉड सेव यू. Now guys, if you think that emotional attachment causes enough damage, sorry, let me surprise you. There are some traders who, when they have a loss in a trade, they fight back. As if अब तक जो नुकसान हुआ है वो काफ़ी नहीं है, right? You know, दबंग 3 में सलमान खान का एक डायलॉग था कि मारेंगे भी हम और मलम भी हम ही लगाएंगे. और यहाँ पे इन ट्रेडर्स का यही स्लोगन होता है कि मारा है तुमने, अब मलहम भी तुम्ही से लगवाएंगे. अब दिक्कत ये है कि स्टॉक मार्केट जो है वो मलहम लगाने के मूड में है नहीं, और एक आप हो जो शांत होने के मूड में है नहीं, एंड यू कीप ऑन फाइटिंग एंड यू कंटिन्यू फाइटिंग स्टॉक मार्केट. तो आखिरकार स्टॉक मार्केट जो है वो मलहम तो नहीं बट नमक पक्का लगाता है. आई एम जस्ट नॉट एबल टू डाइजेस्ट द कंसेप्ट फाइटिंग स्टॉक मार्केट गाइस. स्टॉक मार्केट सुप्रीम में गाइस अंडरस्टैंड, यू मेड अ लॉस, एक्सेप्ट दैट, स्टेप आउट. थोड़ा घूम के आओ, कूल ऑफ. Because when you're angry, you take irrational decisions. And irrational decisions in stock market simply means more loss. Yeah? Okay. This one is equally crazy. So guys, have you met some traders who very proudly tell you that, you know what, I'm a bullish trader, I'm a bearish trader. I'll have to take bull trades, I'll have to take bear trades. Right? And you can sense that possessiveness in them. Right? And you wonder why. See, normally if you do something and if you do it in a certain way and it works for you, then naturally next time when you want to do the same thing, you will do it the same way, right? For instance, let's say if you play chess and in the recent time, especially in the last 3-4 games, if you had chosen black team, right, and you had won, then very naturally next time when you want to play chess, you will choose the black team again, because your mind tells you that every time you choose black, you win. Similarly, if you found out that whenever you wear a particular t-shirt and you play, you win, your mind will tell you that next time when you want to play the game, same t-shirt, because you win again, right? And the same happens in stock market. So in recent times, if you had taken, let's say, some bearish trades and you made money, next time when you want to trade, your mind will tell you take bearish trade because you make money. And similar is the case with bullish trades. If you took some bullish trades in recent times and you made money, next time when you trade, your mind will tell you take bullish trade, baba, you win. But if the market is in downtrend and you take a bullish trade, so what you just did is, bull, mujhe maar. So guys, please understand, आप यहाँ पे बुल बनने नहीं आए हो, आप यहाँ पे बेर बनने नहीं आए हो, राइट? आप यहाँ पे आए हो पैसे कमाने के लिए. So बुल मत बनना, बेर मत बनना, सेंसिल बनना. There are 3 trends in market: uptrend, downtrend, sideways. Analyze the current trend and then take trade accordingly. My favorite, Mr. Impatient and Mr. Leach, both two extremists, ends of pole. Now these two look very harmless, but trust me, they are capable of giving you enough damage. And the problem is that most of the traders are vulnerable to both of them, right? So let's talk about Mr. Impatient first. Now, these are people, they have an impatient nature, right? They cannot stand no action. There has to be some action. कुछ तो कुछ होना चाहिए. And the idea of losing capital or small profit is so high with them that it adds further to the nervousness. Now this has to do more with people who take short-term positional deliveries, right? But to be honest, I won't rule out intraday as well, because I have seen and half an hour can do enough good or bad in terms of a profit, right? So who are they? They basically enter into a trade, and no sooner they enter into a trade, they start. रुको कि निकल जाओ, रुको कि निकल जाओ, right? After some time, again रुको कि निकल जाओ, and finally they square off, right? They feel relief, only to understand that just after some time the same trade which they had squared off went rocket high, and sometimes to the moon, only if they would have waited some more time. You know, guys, if you remember in September 2017, Reliance had crashed. Reliance was reduced to half. I think it was around 1300 types and it came down to around 800 types, right? And then for the next 6 7 months, it just went sideways. I remember telling one of my good friends, Sachin, that क्या रिलायंस भी ऊपर जाने वाला है बहुत दिनों से, बहुत महीनों से, right? It is just on the border. It is about to go up. And of course, he listened to me. He entered into a trade. बट एवरी डे अरे यार ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है, अरे यार ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है, ये थोड़ा ऊपर गया, अरे थोड़ा ऊपर गया, अब नीचे आएगा, फिर नीचे आएगा. एंड फाइनली impatientness, nervousness took the best of him and he squared off. And in just few days, I think in the month of June or July, Reliance went 300 to 400 points up. नुकसान नहीं हुआ. Sachin made somewhere around 10 or 11,000 rupees, right? But he could have made at least few lakhs had entered into trade to achieve much more but settled for average. तो थोड़ा धीरज रखना पड़ता है. You have to have some patience in stock market. Next, Mr. Leach, exactly opposite, the other end of the pole, right? Now, what is the leech? Once it holds on to you, it won't go off easily, right? Exactly the traders. The leech traders are those, once they enter into a trade, they just won't exit, even if there is no movement in the stock at all. For example, they enter into a trade at let's say 10:30 a.m., right? The stock is going sideways. It's 1 hour, they're still in the trade. 3 hours, still the trade. And they're still holding on. 4 hours, still the trade. The mindset is hold on. The stock is just going sideways. Finally, at 3:30 p.m., you get squared off, or just before 3:30 p.m., you square off somewhere. Most of the times, you end up negative. Or even if you manage to square off or leave the trade at break even or a small profit, it is a loss for you guys. Trust me. Why? Simple. Guys, understand there are more than 7,000 stocks in Indian stock market. If your stock is not giving you any moment, there is no need to hold on to it. Exit this trade and enter into another trade, into another stock where there is a lot of movement, there is a lot of volume, right? And make money. The whole intention of you entering into a trade was to make money, not to waste your time, right? In intraday, every second counts, guys. So if you're clearly sensing there is no movement, don't waste your time. Okay, here I want to add a disclaimer. See guys, how soon you should quit a trade or how long you should hold on into a trade, that will depend on a lot of parameters. Okay, don't get me wrong guys over here. But what I'm trying to tell you is that if you see a pattern wherein you are always exiting too early or you're always holding on to the stocks for long unnecessarily, regardless what are the parameters, then that's a problem guys. So you need to work on those tendencies guys. Yeah? Next is Watchmen. Oh boy. Okay guys, I know in previous slide I told you that both Mr. Impatient and Mr. Leach are the most harmless actions and many traders are vulnerable to it. I am taking both of these statements back. Because the act of the Watchman is the most harmless act and trust me, no one, literally no one has been spared by it. और कोई बच नहीं पाया इससे. So let's say you have a target in mind, you open your laptop, you log in into your discount broker of stock 0 to 5 years, right? And you scan through the stocks, you identified one stock with good movement, you entered into a trade, right? Placed your sell order and wait. And in no time, your sell order complete, your target achieved, you made a profit. Fantastic. And then you're surprised and clueless कि यार बहुत जल्दी target achieve हुआ, अब करूँ क्या, right? And since you have some time in hand, because you don't expect the profit to be earned so soon, you decide to just sit back and continue staring at the stock market. Harmless activity. यार बहुत जल्दी profit मिल गया, तो ऐसे ही देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है करके. So you either continue watching the same stock or you watch some other stock and you see the price going up and down. And as the price is going up and down, your mind starts calculating the numbers कि यार इतना नंबर नीचे गिरा, इतना नंबर ऊपर गया, right? And then with those numbers, your mind also calculates the profit. And when you think about profits, naturally you get excited, right? So the harmless activity of just watching the stock market casually suddenly converts into eagerness to see what more can happen. And then you see a buy opportunity, then you see a sell opportunity, and your head tells you, yeah, there were so many opportunities. Even if you would have taken one or two more, you would have made more profit. And then suddenly you see the stock price coming to a same support from where earlier it had bounced back. And your mind tells you, yeah, don't lose opportunity. From the same support, the stock had bounced up, right? And you had already calculated the profit that you would have made if you would have entered into that trade. So you don't want to miss that profit now, and you enter. Only to understand that this time the price did not bounce back but broke the support and the stock came down. What you just did is you just burned your earned profit earlier. And in hastiness to book that profit, अगर गलती से आपने stop loss नहीं लगाया है, तो you just converted your positive MTM into negative MTM. I'm sure many people who are watching the video right now must be nodding ahead. हुआ है. Like I told you, इससे कोई बच नहीं पाया है. I'm sure if not multiple times, at least once, all traders have burned their earned profit in another trade in spite their daily target being achieved. So your casual act of just watching the stock market screwed you. You know, there's a Bollywood movie called as Three, and the ace actor Mr. Pankaj Tripathi delivers a perfect dialogue in that. वो बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं, right? But the dialogue is so apt in stock market because if you continue studying the stock market बुलाएगा, stock market बुलाएगी, लेकिन जाने का नहीं. And like I told you, सब जाते हैं और सबके प्रॉफिट भी चले जाते हैं. But don't you worry, guys. I have a solution. I have the most simple, perfect solution. Want to know it? That's it. Your daily target achieved, profit booked, laptop closed. Extra time मिला है? Well, enjoy the family or go back to your office work or simply go and celebrate. But don't become a watchman. So always remember, वो बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं. Right? Perfect. Okay, time to move on to the next one now. So guys, now I want you to know a mistake which probably is one of the most important mistake, right? It's very tough to beat, and even seasoned players, seasoned traders even do it now and then, right? Guys, do you have your attention? If yes, then let me introduce that mistake to you. And the answer is keep repeating the same mistakes. I know even most of you guys are laughing, and you know why. And in case you don't know why, I'm going to ask you a very simple question. See, so far guys, we have discussed so many mistakes, right? And I'm sure, if not multiple times, you must have nodded your head at least once. Because शायद से आपने भी वो mistake कभी किया होगा, right? But the question I want to ask you is, how many times have you repeated the same mistakes? And guys, be genuine. It is not me asking this question to you. It is basically you asking this question to yourself. And the answer is multiple times. And for some of you, it is each time. Right? Guys, there's this cult movie called Andhadhapna Apna, right? And Viju Khote plays the character of Robert. And in one scene, he's talking to Tejabai, who is, of course, Mr. Paresh Rawal, right? And he says, sorry sir, गलती से ना mistake हो गया. I'm sure guys, by now you must have understood that I am a big time movie buff. Yes, that's a fact. But let's come back to the question. So, गलती से मिस्टेक होना, राइट, दिस इज ओनली एप्लीकेबल टू द फर्स्ट मिस्टेक यू डू. वही गलती सेकेंड थर्ड टाइम इज नॉट मिस्टेक. सी, मिस्टेक करना बुरी बात नहीं है. आई ऑलवेज टेल माई स्टूडेंट्स, आई ऑलवेज टेल माई टीम कि भाई गलती करो, बहुत सारी गलती करो, बट बहुत सारे नई गलती करो. डू न्यू मिस्टेक्स. इफ यू कीप रिपीटिंग द सेम मिस्टेक, इट्स नॉट अ मिस्टेक. दे से राइट, a mistake repeated more than once is not a mistake, it's a decision. So basically you decide to do that mistake once again. For instance, let's say if you are still holding on to a trade, right, and you know that your MTM is already heavy negative, and as you hold on, you're just increasing a negative, and you know that you have done this in past, you know the outcome, but you still decide to hold on, right? So you decide, it's a decision, right? तो सब कुछ होने के बाद आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि यार सेकेंड टाइम गलती हो गई मुझसे, कि सेकेंड टाइम गलती से लॉस हो गया. इस बार आपने डिसाइड करके लॉस किया है. दिस टाइम यू डिसाइडेड टू लूज. सो गाइज, लर्न फ्रॉम मिस्टेक्स एंड डोंट रिपीट देम. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉसिबल, बट इफ पीपल कैन क्विट स्मोकिंग, इफ पीपल कैन कम आउट ऑफ ड्रग्स, you can also stop repeating the same mistakes here. Some people learn it the easy way, maybe in just one or two times, and some people like me learn it the hard way. Like I told you, right, I have burnt my capital by re-entering into trade even after my daily target achieved. And I've done that multiple times only to understand that profit earned has value, profit loss has got no value. So today, मेरे लिए पत्थर की लकीर है The time I achieved my daily target, right? I make my profit, I simply close my laptop. I don't look back. Even if my trade that I left goes 10 times, 20 times higher, it's okay. So, guys, learn from a mistake. And remember, mistakes repeated more than once are decisions. There are no mistakes, right? So guys, this is all in the video. I think we discussed around 10 of the major mistakes that all traders do that stop them, that prevent them from reaching the 10% who are practically making consistent profits. So guys, these are all the things that you should not be doing as a trader, whether you're a newcomer or whether you are an experienced trader. I hope everything is clear. I hope you were able to relate to the mistakes, right, which you've been doing. And I'm sure there must be few of them who didn't even knew that what you were doing is a mistake. Only after this video you might have realized, right? So keep that in mind. So guys, if you really love this video, right, and if you think that this video now will help you to be a better trader and will help you save your capital, will help you grow your profits, guys, please, all I ask is like and share the video, right? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't so far, right? Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of those awesome videos that are coming up in future. Please do share your comments and questions if you have any, right? We would love to hear any of your interesting mistakes that you have done, right? And in case you want to know more about what courses we offer, guys, please do visit our website prismstocksacademy.com, right? Thank you for now. Be safe, keep trading, keep making profits, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.